If you're looking for the best roof coating contractors in Tucson, follow this advice. When it comes to your home or place of business, the roof is often the last thing on anyone's mind, until it is damaged or starts to leak. Roof replacement can cost thousands or even millions of dollars depending on its size. In some cases, when a new roof is needed, a full tear down is required due to building codes. However, there are more inexpensive alternatives, the main one being roof coatings. A roof coating contractor can help guide you through the process. Roof coating solutions have many advantages, with lower installation cost compared to a new roof being one of them. Installation costs aside, professional roof coatings provide many other benefits that impact the bottom line. One of the most important benefits, especially here in the Tucson area, is heat reflection. With solar energy directed away from the roof, your building remains cooler and more comfortable. This helps with energy efficiency. A cooler roof reduces the heat burden on the air conditioning system, saving money in potential repairs and electricity. Finally, one of the prime advantages is the low maintenance involved. Other than the occasional cleaning to remove dirt or other debris, roof coatings are virtually maintenance-free, saving you time and money. To get all these benefits and more, it makes sense to use the best materials applied properly. Hiring a professional roof coating contractor ensures your Tucson roof is properly protected for years to come. For more information, contact Sunset Roofing today.